has made waves in sneaker culture with the Archive exhibition, displaying more than 150 models from past and upcoming Bad Bunny collaborations inside a national art museum. A standout highlight was the unveiling of a Formula One-inspired AdiRacer GT, featuring a plastic shell, suede overlays, and AMG X Bad Bunny branding, spotlighting both innovation and performance aesthetics. The event also teased a bold three-way collaboration between Bad Bunny, Mercedes F1, and Adidas, signaling how cross-industry creativity can redefine footwear. Though no release date has been confirmed, the collection is expected to drop in 2025 via select retailers and Adidas platforms. By merging music, motorsport, and fashion, Adidas emphasized how cultural partnerships can transcend traditional sneaker design. Overall, the exhibition blended art, history, and futuristic style,